Welcome. We have a big sale. Clearing section day night back at store.
Oh, a sale. I'm going over there right now.
Hello.
Thanks.
Is anybody there? Is anyone in the front? Hello?
What is it?
Are you covering the front?
Me there in the front of the store. What is it?
Just letting you know I'm still in the break room. Thanks for covering for me.
How long you got the pan break? Listen to me. Look how long you take break for. I'm there up here. Hello, and a goodbye. Come cover me so I can go for my lunch too.
Okay, I'm coming right now.
Where you take this thing for?
You're overreacting.
I work. I'm not chicken me
I'm
here.
resting my legs right
My
now.
foot them tired. I want to sit down too.
Alright, I'm walking from the back
We
right
are
now.
there from morning. Yeah, come off the talk here. Come
I'm
off
not
me
gonna
come.
argue over this walkie-talkie. I'm not
I worry about
I'm
when
not
me
gonna argue with you at
Listen,
work today.
you lazy. Sure. Have a nice day. Hey girl. She none of manners.
What is wrong with you?
Wait, I'm coming to the store. I'm passing me walkie-talkie. You don't brought up sick. Go to me store. You're not friggin' manners. Hello, have a nice day. Bye, have a nice day. Hope you have Happy New Year's. Enjoy. Oh, hurry up, man.